Hello everybody, I'm Raw Potato, and here we are back with episode 93 of Project Zomboid. Woo! If you guys are enjoying the series, leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Ring that bell so you get all the notifications too. So, in the last episode, we got home running around shooting zombies, and we decided we gotta fix up on our carpentry. Now, I did do off camera. We're in the GIGAMART here, and I went and I like just did this before I started recording. I just went and sawed up all the furniture we could give us the most XP and stuff and whatever. And we're almost at level 6. Once we get to level 6, it'll be a little more comfortable. We have a water bottle. There's water here. I slept the night here. Blocked it up a little bit. I'm not gonna bother looting the food really, because I don't know, we don't really need it too much. We do need is water. Yeah, just take a drink. These taps are untouched. Take another sip. I'm gonna fill our water bottles. Okie dokie. I did pick up like some seeds. I have a toaster now. We have a toaster. Or some tools. Found a hunting knife. Found a screwdriver. Found another silver necklace with a crucifix. All this food just be rotten. The potatoes are still stale. That's cool. Yeah, I cleared it all out. We come back here in the future for all that wood and all the nails and food that's left there. There'd be zombies around. You gotta get back home or break down a little bit more furniture. Ooh. Start my little timer. There we go. That truck is now on top of that car thingy there, so I don't know how we get that. We go in here, that'd probably be a good place to get some XP, break stuff down. We definitely should start considering also building a wall around our safe house. That would be good for level 7. I tend to use all the furniture disassembling for like the early levels, but because we were able to hit the TV show so much, I think that's what happened. We're watching all the channels we can, get all the XP boost. Is that an open door? No, it's just a window. Let's enter through the window. Come on, burglar. Open that up. There you go. We're 26 days in 21 hours, by the way. And speaking of days, we're like the 93rd episode this is. I was thinking about doing like an hour special for the 100th one. Let me know down below what you think about it. Do a longer video. I usually do them like 20 minutes. Hour would probably be too long. Maybe like half hour, 45 minute one. Let me know. Okay, we gotta disassemble things. Clearing this place out should give us enough. Because there's just bedroom after bedroom. And there's probably like no loot in here really. What does that give us? That will be good. Actually, we could disassemble these too. A lot of sheets in here. Cool, cool. Got a cabinet in here to break down. A lot of towels and sheets. Gotta remember there's a lot of sheets here. I wish they had like pillows on the beds. Maybe like a blanket on them. I don't know why they're so empty. Empty bottle in that can. This place, wouldn't it be full, like in the beginning of the game when it's full of zombies? When you first enter town and they're all in the building still. There we go. We still have a lot to break down. Now we need to get the 7-8 Carpentry book. Book number 4. Looking for book number 4. What is worth looting back here is the kitchen and this little behind counter. Always worth a peek. You can find like a gun or something. And like there's these 2 things of glue. Let's take the glue. I like that too. And there's like those little plants on the table. We'll come back for those. Spruce up our place a bit. Alright. We gotta hit the bookstore, see if there's... How's that long blunt skill? Nice. Short blunt's almost level 1. Got him. One thing I noticed earlier when I was playing at my own time is that the music's very reactive. Like it was stuck on like this one for a while because zombies were chasing me, and then when I like hit them, they all of a sudden kicked off. It's like, whoa, whoa, we're fighting zombies. I recall there were a couple there. There's a couple there. They've seen us. We gotta hit the bookstore, which is all the way back down across town. It'll be no problem. Well, I like your hat. Might be my hat. That dude's got a head injury already. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I don't think we should fight all of them, but we will. Ah. Okay, that's kind of much. They came out the woodwork again. Oh, there's a hunting knife in here. Ooh. Alright, we gotta stand our ground. Okay, standing our ground might not be it. Oh, standing ground, isn't it? Here, we'll loop around this way. Is it safe in here? We're looping back through the bendies. Alright. I'd say that was pretty smooth. Alright, just peek here. Make sure it's safe in here. Alright. Carpentry level 4. Volume 4 is 73. Oh yeah, so we need volume 4. And there's 5. Ah, don't tell me 4 isn't here. Damn. That's unfortunate. Kinda gotta figure what to do there. How's our gas doing in there? Oh, hi. What's our short blade? Ah. Ah. Cleaver. Make cleaver. Yeah, I tried to say that kind of metally, but then the voice came out kind of scratchy. How's the Jenny doing? 27%. Okay. Popsicle fridge is hefty. It's almost like it might be worth it to just do the freezer. Hey, well, we're back home. Do we have volume 4 already? Maybe? No, we don't. Ah, no, we already had 5. It's okay. We got some watering cans. We got a toaster to put down. Let's try and do that real quick. Let's throw some cigarettes in there. I know we can use them for the mildew cure. And we got all this neato stuff. Put all that in there. And then we have all these tools. Hold on to the screwdriver. Got these nice clothes right here. We're gonna place down the silver crucifix at the door. Pale the demon is dead, undead. Woo! I'm gonna unpack the toaster and then we're gonna put these knives away. I'll just place down the toaster. Can we use it? I wonder if we can. We can use the toaster! Oh my god, what can we toast? What can we cook? What's in here? Okay, let's grab that. And that. And then maybe we can roast some vegetables or something. Let's see, what can we make? Well, how much time? Okay. Ooh. We have salami to slice? Oh, is that frozen though? Yeah. Oh no. Those are rotten. We're gonna put this rot in there. The ice cream melted? No! I'd still enjoy it. That's for sure. That's rotten. That is also rotten. Oh, I saw some meat in there. We're gonna keep the rotten stuff in here, just heck, why not? Keep it away from the food we're using. Let's see, what can we cook here? We can make a stir fry. Okay, make a bunch of roasted veggies. I think we should roast some veggies. Hopefully it'll take off our unhappiness too. Just throwing a little bit of everything in here, you know. We got that's still fresh fruit. I'm going with the stale things. Makes it fresh again, so that's cool. We got some mixed vegetables, throw that in there. And then, what's some roasted veggies without a little butter? Oh yeah, look at that, it's gonna be good. How heavy is that? Oh, we could put it in the toaster. Not in there. No, it won't let me. Okay. Let's cook our vegetables. Wow, that's gonna rip away our unhappiness and boredom, hunger, thirst. Fast forward here, get that cooked. Okay. Nice handful of this would be enjoyable. Oh, our cooking went up. Can we, like, put it in a bowl? Unpack the bowl. I guess we just eat the whole thing. I know you can put the beans in a bowl. Alright, nice. And we should be able to just smoke real quick. We still have some unhappiness, so gotta fix that. How are we looking on the fresh food now? Everything's fresh in here except we got some stale veggies, stale peas. Gotta get rid of these bags. That tin can. We're gonna make this a temporary garbage bin. The garbage freezer. Alright, and that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, leave a like down below, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.